calligraphy. Calligraphy means artistic handwriting. The word calligraphy is originated from the Greek language called kalos. It means fair and beautiful line. And graphy means to write. In other words, writing with fair and beautiful lines. Calligraphy is the artistic process of forming beautiful symbols by hand and arranging them in a way that reflects integrity, harmony, ancestry, and rhythm. Integrity means originality. Harmony means amicable relationship between words and gestures and elements of a letter. Ancestry refers to preserving the heritage of letter form. And rhythm means musical relationship that creates a sense of pattern and tone within the viewer's vision. Hello, I'm Isabel from Spandan Arts Creative Studio. Ever since computers and other technical devices were introduced, calligraphy seems to be a thing of the past. However, such a tradition of discipline has proved to be quite flexible in modern times, despite being handled more effectively. Although detached from daily activities, calligraphy still reflects its beauty, grace, and distinction in our most important documents. Book covers, invitations, logos, and certificates are incomplete without the essence of calligraphy. Calligraphic titles used for films and TV serials play vital roles in scaling up TRP, whether it's Walt Disney's The Chronicles of Narnia, or Bollywood blockbuster movie Bahubali. Titles of such films have long-lasting impressions on our mind, and its credit goes to its calligraphy artists. Nowadays, corporates also get their marketing artwork especially designed with calligraphy, as they realise the value of heritage art of writing. It's usually not easy to find the best calligraphy artist which will fit your requirement and budget. Every calligrapher has a unique style that should be appealing to you. Calligraphy is a handwritten art that takes a lot of time and practice. Even spot calligraphy for an invitation starts pen to paper before it's digitalized. Because of calligraphy's handwritten nature, it's not done overnight. So if you want an urgent service, they will charge a very high fee. Does that mean getting calligraphy services are so difficult? There is no solution to it. Of course there's a solution. Spandan Arts Creative Studio offers calligraphy services at a reasonable price. Spandan Arts is known for its video editing service, corporate graphic designing, website designing, realistic digital canvas painting, and calligraphy. Spandan Arts is a team of handcrafted skill of calligraphy and offers high-quality calligraphy artwork in digital format. Our unique style of calligraphy comes at a very reasonable price. Over the past 30 years, Spandan Arts has served millions of customers, not only in India, but across the globe. Our success is no longer about the work that we delivered, but the stories that our clients tell.
Hi, I'm Dennis from Venezuela. I work with Spandan Arts Creative Studio on designing a marketing brochure for my fitness spa. Rogers did an incredible job in a short time and at a great price. He was easy to work with, had great ideas, and a good listener. I highly recommend him to anyone looking for a graphic designer.
Hi, I'm Monica from Canada. Spandan Arts Creative Studio is wonderful to work with. Rajesh designed my website and brochures for me. I asked for many different variations during the design, and trust me, Rajesh was very patient in working with me and my team. He used calligraphy in my brochures, which was very unique, and he has a very professional, easy to work with, and a very responsive approach. I will definitely recommend him.
Hello, I'm Hendrik from Belgium, and Rajesh was great to work with. He took my ideas and created an impressive advertisement. His emails were prompt and the advertisement was completed days before the deadline. This was my first experience with a graphical designer, and it was a really positive one. I plan to use Spandan Arts Creative Studio again and again. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Joanne and I am from Belfast. I hired Spandan Arts Creative Studio to design the concept for my firm's logo, stationery and website. Rajesh was great to work with and is very willing to put in the extra effort to get things just right. I highly recommend him.
A sample of our calligraphy work can be seen on our website www.spandanarts.com. Our speciality? Reasonable cost, 24 hours turnaround time, digital format, choice to choose from styles of calligraphy, calligraphy in English, Hindi and Marathi. Please share your product details at the number and email I've given below. We will assess your requirement and send you the best quotation. For more details, log on to www.spandanarts.com. Last but not least, don't forget to visit our exclusive sections of realistic digital canvas painting and video editing on our website. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.